It's day 7 of the shower building. What kind of liquid's behind this wall? This is so cool. Well, we have the base of the shower in the van.
Well, can I see it?
You can see it, you can see it. We have a plastic shower pan that's 32 inches by 24 inches. It's kind of small for me, but I have to shower kind of like this. I think I'm more than 24 inches wide.
Are you?
So I'm so big.
Are you big?
Huge. So I have some 2x2s underneath that plastic frame. There's a spot for that tray to live. I made this box frame about 1/8 of an inch narrower on those 2 dimensions so that it really slotted in here perfectly. And those 2x2s will also anchor the plywood. So we're going with some flimsy 1/2 inch plywood walls, which is a little bit of a gamble. It's a little bit of a bet to see if it works, but if it does work, we'll have so much more space for our couch. Great lighting, eh? You want to be able to see your nose on the wall next to you. Look at that thing. We're about to get our 3rd wall panel in. It's going to go right there. It's going to create a box.
Ooh, what screws am I going to use?
This is so cool.
So this is our almost complete shower frame, except for the ceiling. So 3-section plywood wall against the van wall. Because it's not straight up and down, it actually curves and becomes narrower at the top. The side panels here, we had to custom jigsaw to meet the contour of the van. Yeah, and then he just used these aluminum L brackets to secure the joints. And we have a lovely 2x4 here at the top.
Show us how strong it is. Oh man. I'll take it.
Next up, we're gonna seal it, waterproof it.
Yeah, waterproof it.
With some cement and some Schluter Carity.
First coat of Redgard on the walls. What'd you do?
I made a red box. Look like I just ate some zombie brains. We're doing some speed finish right now because we covered our shower walls in Redgard, which apparently is incompatible with any adhesive, and we want to adhere our plastic walls to the shower wall. So we called up the people that make Redgard, and they told us
building supplies.
Custom building supplies. Called them up, and the nice man on the phone told us to apply a layer of speed finish, and then
speed finish.
Use any adhesive that we want.
Anyone we want.
And speed finish is essentially mortar, which is what we were trying to avoid. But
oh, this is so fun! Look at this. Look at this. Get in here. Oh my gosh.
so what did we learn today?
You better know what you're doing if you're working with speed finish.
Because it's fast.
It's really fast.
The box says it has like a 10-minute work time, but it seemed to have a 1-minute work time.
So we're on day 2 of speed finish, and we're mixing less of it at once so that we can actually apply it before it hardens. So I'm pretty sure we could put a swimming pool in here at this point.
Familiar with the stand-up swimming pool?
It's the new hot thing.
Swimming stall.
So Shane is awesome, and he cut out all of the plastic panels for our shower, and here it all is. So these are our sides, and that's the back, and this is all for the frame. This is the ceiling, and that's our adhesive. So we're gonna glue it on now.
It's professional. Hide that.
On today's unboxing video, we have a shower door.
Oh.
So we custom ordered our shower door from Stoett. It's a Stoett Industries product, and it's a Nautilus shower door. Okay, so this is our shower door, and we paid way too much money for it because we wanted a retractable shower door, and this is the only one on the market.
This is it, dude. They got us. It's a monopoly.
Unless you want like a accordion door.
Or you want like a bone color.
Yeah, you can get it like 50% cheaper off of eBay, but they only have the round housing, and it's only in the bone color, which is like a terrible off-white from the 1970s.
Yeah, it's like old dentist office. It's like surgical room plastic color.
It's well wrapped, it's well packaged.
Whoa, there it is. Paid big money for those stripes too.
Extra $20.
Basically. I can totally see you. What
totally
a
see you.
useless shower door. Oh, hey, as you shower in there. Let me get a look. Alright, that's visible.
So let's go see
Let's go see.
how it fits.
These some nice maneuvers. Sorry, I'm not helping you.
Okay, fully capable.
Oh man, that pit.
Goes like this. And the reason we brought this in here is to see if we could fit trim around it. But now I just want to go inside.
Fingers, I guess. What? Whoa, it's pretty sweet. I really like that.
It gets hot in here really fast.
Hold and press in.
Wow, what are you doing right now? Are you adhering that perfect piece of trim that I cut?
Yeah, dude, you cut really well.
Took me like 10 tries because I couldn't figure out how to make a corner angle, but I finally figured it out without watching YouTube.
She's doing the worst band of the job so far, caulking the seam.
Okay, so we're gonna install our Nautilus shower door. And
reveal of the white box!
what could it be?
What happened to your foot?
Yeah, I got attacked by the Van Goblin. My foot was hanging outside the door for too long, and
Oh my god.
but I fought it back with this hand. Just kind of smacked it like that. I got away.